Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the two biggest bubbles going on right now, which is the Tesla stock bubbles and the Bitcoin bubbles. Right now, Tesla valuation is at $780 billion market cap, which means Tesla is larger than the next 10 largest cars company in the world combined. If you take Toyota, Honda, Volvo, Daimler, Porsche, BMW, Honda, Ford, Chevrolet, add them up all together and throw in a few more cars company, then you are about the same size as Tesla, which is insane. How many Tesla cars do you see out on the road today compared to Toyota, Honda, Volvo, BMW, Mercedes, Ford, Chevrolet, and whatever? But the stock has skyrocketed since last year. Elon Musk is now the world's richest man. He gains over 100 billions in wealth this year because of Tesla stocks. It is one of the biggest bubbles of all time, right next to Bitcoin. Talk about Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin is at $34,000 per Bitcoin. Yesterday, on Sunday, January the 10th, it was at 41,000. Today it's dropped down to 31,000 earlier this morning and now coming back up again at 34,000, 35,000 per Bitcoin. And right now is January 11th, 2021 at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The reason why time is so specific because when you look at Bitcoin price, it dropped like per hour, per minute. It fluctuate wildly. But I made a video last week that I don't think it's gonna get to $35,000 per Bitcoin, and I was obviously wrong. It went up to 41,000, dropped down to 31,000 earlier today, and went back up to 35,000. I said I would sell my Bitcoin at around $35,000. I did not. I could not find an exchange that I like to put my Bitcoin into to sell it and hold it. I want to use Coinbase, but I have some problem with Coinbase in the past, and maybe I'm going to use Robinhood to trade my Bitcoin. I'm not sure, but at this point, I'm going to hold my Bitcoin for now. I'm not sure what to do with it. I'm holding it in an offline storage. It's not on any exchange right now. It's not connecting to any device, so my Bitcoin is safe from any hacker. But let's get back to the price of Tesla. Tesla stocks is at $880 US dollar per share today. A few months ago, they split the stock because it was so expensive, and they want to split the stock, divide the stocks to lower the price, so people can have the money to buy the Tesla stocks. It works. Tesla went skyrocket again. Now I think because the Tesla price is at $880 per share right now, and it's getting very expensive, and people is getting the $600 stimulus check, and soon they're going to get their $2,000 stimulus check because Biden is going to be in the office in January 2021 in about 2 weeks. People are going to have some money. People are going to either need the money to spend on their rent, food, but there are also people that have money to spare. They're going to buy Tesla stock. So I think Tesla will split their stock again. Will split the share again to lower the price of their share so people will buy more stock. I think Tesla price will rise again. It will be burst at some point. At some point it will drop, but no one knows when, at which price. It is scary. I'm afraid to buy Tesla stock right now because I know it's going to drop. I'm old enough and experienced enough to see what the stock price did in the booming 90 when everybody buying every single thing with a .com in it, whether it makes money or not. Right now, the price per earning on Tesla, I think is at around 1,400 to 1 in share per earning. I think I might be wrong on that. I need to double check on that. But the valuations of Tesla of 780 billions market cap is totally unrealistic compared to how many Tesla cars in a row. But of course, people are always thinking of the future when Tesla have their self-driving software and the batteries, the advanced battery that make the cars go longer on a single charge. But this is not a Tesla only venues. Google is doing the self-driving, and Apple is jumping into the market, and Toyota, Honda, BMW, and Mercedes, Porsche are coming out with their own electric car with their own self-driving software, and it'd be a competition for Tesla for sure. But anyway, let's take a look at some charts on how Tesla stock compared to other cars price. And we can see the incredible rise of Tesla and the bubble. At some point, I think it's going to burst. I just don't know when, just like the Bitcoin. Anyway, let's take a look at the shares of Tesla versus other cars stocks price. Let's take a look at some graph and charts. The chart and graphs of Tesla versus others cars companies. The first one we are looking at is the Tesla market cap in September of 2020. This is from Yahoo Finance. As you can tell, even from September, the market cap was 442 billion compared to other cars company. Toyota was only 185 billions in September 1st of 2020. That's about half the size of Tesla. I mean, even then it was unbelievable. Now let's jump ahead to January 11 of 2021. That's today. I'm not sure when you're gonna watch this video, but on January 11 of 2021, Tesla market cap is 779 billions. That's double the size since September of 2020. In the period of 4 months, Tesla doubled the market cap from 442 billions to 779 billions. It's almost double the size. I mean, it's increased by almost 90%. So the stock price today is $842 per share, which is unbelievable. As you can tell from the chart, it went vertical sometime back in 2020. Right now, it's at $822 per share. Sometime last year, because the price was so expensive, Tesla did a very smart thing. They split the stocks 2-for-1. So what that means is that Tesla, the price, the stock splits in half to reduce the price of the share, and it works. More people can afford Tesla stocks, and they will buying more. I think Tesla will split again, and to reduce the share price, which allow more people to jump into the stock price. Let's take a look at the next Tesla, the next car stocks. Let's take a look at Toyota, one of the world's largest car company. Toyota, the market caps today is 215 billions compared to Tesla, almost 800 billions, which is almost let's see, 4 times the size of Toyota. If you take a look at all the cars on the road, how many Tesla do you see compared to Toyota? It's unbelievable. Let's take okay. Let's take a look at the next car. let's take a look at Volkswagen. The stock price of Volkswagen is $20 per share, and the market cap is 100 billions. I mean, what Volkswagen did sometime in 2019 or 2018, I believe, they faked the test that show how much pollution they have on one of their in one of their engines, and they never recover from that. So the share price of Volkswagen is still $20 per share. Let's take a look at the next one. Is BMW. BMW stock price today is $69 per share, and the market cap is 44 billions. And Daimler, Mercedes, the market cap is 61 billions, and the stocks is $57 per share. Honda, one of the world's best car company. Honda, the share price is $28 per share, and the market cap is 48 billions. And let's take a look at Porsche. Porsche, let me see where we at. Porsche, the share price is $55 per share, and the market cap is 16 billions. All these cars company, if you add them all up, they almost equal to the market cap of Tesla of $779 billion. If you look at all the car price, if you take a look at all the cars on the road, how many Tesla do you see compared to all the cars? It's not even 1%. It's tiny, it's little. Now, if you want to say that this stock price reflect what Tesla can do in the future with their autopilot, their self-driving software, and the car batteries technology, I think they will. I think Tesla would be great in the market. The software, the self-driving software will be working fine, will be working great, and the battery will be a very advanced car battery. But Toyota, Honda, BMW, Ford, GM, they are jumping into the market as well. And these companies are large company with traditional manufacturing, and Tesla will have competition coming up. And Honda, Toyota, Porsche, and BMW, they all can make self-driving software as well. It's not just Tesla that can do this. And car batteries, these car companies will get those batteries as well. I mean, Porsche have a good electric car. BMW have electric car. I mean, I'm not putting Tesla down. I'm a great fan of Tesla. I want a Tesla so bad if I can afford it. But what we are talking right now is the market cap of Tesla of 772 billions market cap, which is larger than the next largest car company combined, and the stock price of $882. I'm just saying a huge bubble. I think Tesla will be one of the world's best company going forward, right up there with Apple, Coca-Cola, with these great companies. But I think it's a huge bubble right now. And talking about bubbles, let's take a look at Bitcoins. Bitcoins is right next to Tesla. I think it probably is the biggest bubble of all time, if not the second biggest bubble of all time. I cannot tell which one is the biggest bubble, either Bitcoin or Tesla. Bitcoin this past Sunday, it was at $41,000 per Bitcoin. This morning on January 11, it's dropped down to $35,000 per Bitcoin. Then by noon, it was jumped back up to $35,000 per Bitcoin. Right now, it is at 8 p.m. January 11, 2021. Bitcoin's coming back up to $35,000 per Bitcoin. So it went from $41,000 per Bitcoin yesterday to 31,000 per Bitcoin this morning. It's dropped by 10 grand, and now it's got back up to $35,000 per Bitcoin. I made a video a couple weeks ago saying that Bitcoin will never get to $35,000. Obviously, I was wrong, and I wanted to share and I want to sell my Bitcoin on Coinbase or some other platform. I didn't get a chance to do it, and I'm glad I didn't. I still hold my Bitcoin offline in cold storage. So right now, um, Bitcoin's at 35,000. I don't know what's going to happen at this point, whether it's going to drop or whether it's going to get back up to 41,000 and go up to 50,000. It's hard to tell. I'm afraid to predict anymore on Bitcoin. But in the long term, down the road, Bitcoin will drop before it get even higher. Um, but I, I'm not sure when or how much it will go up. But Tesla, I think will definitely drop at some point a lot before it be at some point. This bubble is too big to maintain for a long time. But at the Federal Reserve keep printing money, uh, and people get those $600 or $2,000 stimulus check. And for those that don't need the money to pay the rent or buy the food or pay the bills, they're gonna buy stock on Robinhood with that. And most people will put it in Tesla. I mean, all the young people under 30, I think most of them will be buying Tesla. I mean, Tesla is a great company. I would buy some Tesla stock myself once it's dropped. I'm just afraid to jump in right now. But anyway, thank you for watching, friends, and I will see you on the next video, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.